Jai Swaminarayan students, in your last class we had saw the circulation of blood. What are the vessels are used for the circulation of blood? These things we had saw. Now let's see about the exercises inside our textbook. Okay, so first you take the page number 98. 98 you can see that ask your friend to run, ask your friend to run and note the beats. Already I said what is the normal beat, normal heartbeat? How many times the heart beats? 70 say 82 times. 70 say 72 times. That means from 70 say 72 times that heart is beating. Understood? That is in normal. So see the tabular column, serial number, details, number of heartbeat in normal condition. What will be there? 72. Right? 72. In the first box, 72, 70, 72. Here the box is like this. So here you will write 72, 70, 72. Understood? Name of the friend. Any friend's name you write. Any of the friend's name. Page number. Which page number it is? Page number 98. In textbook. Take your textbook and then write. Okay. Next. Second one. The number of heart beating after running. The number of heart beating. 80. It will goes in 80s. Okay. So any of the you can write 85, 83, 87. You can give in 80s range. That means it will 10 guna बढ़ता है. Okay, 10 times it becomes 10 beats it becomes increase. Okay, after running. Okay, in the second column you can write 85, 83 and 87. Understood students? And now page number 99 you can see that. Kaya start reading loudly. Page number 99. Others just keep finger on your book.
Our blood circulates in body. We can understand the same looking at the picture given of the left side. Let's know the name of.
Here you can wait. Here you can see that in the figure you can see the circulation of blood, and here you can see that red color and blue color is there. That blue color is vein which carries deoxygenated blood. Veins carry deoxygenated blood and arteries carry
Oxygenated blood.
arteries carries
Oxygenated blood.
What do you mean by oxygenated blood? They contains
Oxygen.
They contains
Oxygen.
What is mean by deoxygenated blood? They contain carbon dioxide. Understood? So this is the figure how the blood flow. Okay, continue better.
We circulate blood in the body. First point, blood circulate means circulation of blood in the body.
Circulation of blood means flowing of blood in the body.
Second point, heart is an important organ
So associated with
with circulation of blood. Human heart is
slightly larger than the fist. Fist means what? Yesterday I said when you hold the hand, this is the fist. इसको fist बोलते हैं. Understood? And your heart is slightly larger. Slightly इससे थोड़ा सा बड़ा होगा. Understood? Slightly larger than the fist. Where the heart is located? In the middle of the chest, between lungs. Between lungs. I already said that this is the lungs. Lungs will be like this. Understood? So in this what happened? In this you will be having the heart will be placed in this way. But it is not present in the left side. It is slightly tilted. Slightly tilted on the left side. Understood students?
Yes.
Rib cage means that bones present here. This we are calling it as rib cage. Why we are calling it as cage? Because एक cage जैसा लगता है, जैसे parrot का cage होता है. Like that, the heart is also in a cage. And why it is called rib cage? The bones present in the chest we are calling it as ribs. So उसका cage को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Rib cage. Understood, students? Next.
Third point, blood vessels are connected to heart. They are mainly of two parts. First is artery, second is vein.
Yes, this you know. Artery carries oxygenated blood that rich in oxygen, and veins carry deoxygenated blood that is containing carbon dioxide. Understood? And one more important thing is there. See there, World Heart Day is celebrated on the last day of September. World Heart Day is celebrated on the last day of September. Last Sunday. Last Sunday means we are having last Sunday holiday. That day in September we are celebrating it as Heart Day. Why we are celebrating Heart Day? There we have to take care of the heart. We have to take care of the food what we are eating. Understood? Yesterday only we had discussed about the cholesterol and heart attacks. Yes or no? तो ये कोलेस्ट्रॉल ज्यादा फैट्स फ्राइड आइटम्स ये सब ज्यादा खाने से क्या होता है? कोलेस्ट्रॉल बढ़ जाता है. When the cholesterol is increased, वो क्या करता है? ब्लड के अंदर जो हार्ट के अंदर जो वेन्स और आर्टरी जाता है ना, उधर ब्लॉक कर देता है. जैसे नॉल में डस्ट बंद हो जाता है, तो वैसे हो जाता है. दैट क्रिएट्स हार्ट अटैक. Understood, students? Now next page. Let's move on to the next page. 100. This we are going to solve. Tick the mark. Tick in the proper box. Name the organ of the blood vessels. Digestive system, respiratory system, blood circulatory organ. So here what they had given, a list of organs दिया है. In which system it is there? There you will put the tick mark. Okay. First heart. Digestive system, respiratory system. Which system? Blood circulatory. Very good. Blood circulatory organ. Stomach. Very good. Stomach. Digestive system. Digestive organ. Lungs. Lungs. Artery. Wait. Bamdariya, what it is? Artery is?
Blood circulatory organ.
Very good. Rishita, mouth.
Now, response.
No. Yes, Nandini.
Digestive organ.
Mouth, digestive organ. Okay, digestive organ means that helps to eat the food and digest होता है. Understood? Next, vein. Who is vein?
Blood circulatory.
Very good. Blood circulatory organ. Small intestine, Bhavya.
Digestive.
Very good. Small intestine, digestive organ. And here comes the end of this chapter. Now